Hello guys, welcome back. I am Deepak Unyal, and in previous lecture we have discussed about encapsulation, which provides us information hiding, and we can also say that it provides us data hiding. So encapsulation has two benefits we have already discussed. So one of that benefit was control the way data members are accessed, and second word, reusability. So the way data members are accessed we can control through encapsulation, and it means the data is not directly exposed to clients, but there is a way when data members can be accessed and manipulated, and so we can do it through methods. So methods provide us the way to manipulate the data members. So this was all about encapsulation. So object oriented programming has some more key concepts of OOPS. So one of them was encapsulation, and rest of others we are going to discuss now. Second one is abstraction, third is polymorphism, and fourth one is inheritance. So today we will be discussing about abstraction only. So abstraction means hiding the complexity of system from user, or you can say that client. So it means hide the inner working details of system from client, or I can also say that show only necessary details to the user. I would like to take few examples. Suppose you are driving a car, you don't need to know how the acceleration function is working, right? Or you don't need to get inside the engine and see how the system whole system is working. Or you can take one more example. If you go to ATM, you are not going to get inside the ATM and see how the cash is getting dispensed. So you just need to know the options, how to click or how to select, and how to put the amount you are going to withdraw, and that's enough for a user. So this much you need to know. We can take one example. Suppose you have let us suppose you are making a class car, and this is the way we have showed in the last lecture that we are making class in this way, and you have some methods. Methods could be accelerating, and what's going on here? car will move faster in faster. The whole process will be inside this function, but the way it is implemented will be hidden from the user. Let us suppose it have few data members, or it could have data members like car model, or it could have color or top speed, current speed, etc. And as we have discussed in previous lecture, suppose I can access the data members like this: car dot top speed, and similarly I can access the method like this: although this thing should not be accessible and it would be restricted from direct access, but we can access it using these things, these functions. So when I call car.accelerating, and accelerating function is called, the way this function will work or this function is implemented will be hidden from the user, and user will not know, or will never know how this function is working. So this is called abstraction. Similarly, if you have one more example, as we have discussed above, you have a class ATM, you implement it this way, and it had some methods. Let us suppose that one method, withdraw, don't look into syntax at this point of time. I am just writing it in a way so that you can understand, but we'll be implementing it in programming form in coming lectures. So there are some data members as well. It could be balance and try to implement withdraw in sub form, and it will withdraw money, but user will not be allowed to see how the function or method of withdrawing money is working. So this is called abstraction, and I can call this maybe I want to call this on this method like this: ATM dot. As soon as I call this function, this will withdraw the money, but user will never know how this function is actually functioning. So I think it's enough for today, guys. We can discuss polymorphism or inheritance in the next lecture. If you have any doubt regarding abstraction, please put it in the comments, or you can mail me at the easyconcept@gmail.com. Thank you so much.